In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Minecraft stuck on loading screen. Let's get started. First, open Task Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. Go to Details tab and press the M key to quickly find Minecraft processes. If you see any Minecraft or launcher related task running, right-click them and select End Task. Make sure everything related to Minecraft is fully closed before moving on. Next, search for apps and features in Windows and open it. Or you can launch Settings, go to Apps, then navigate to the option Installed Apps. From the list of apps, find Minecraft. Click on three dots for it, select Advanced option. Now here you're gonna find the option of terminate, click on that. Then select Repair and finally click Reset. This will fix any corrupted launcher data that may be causing the loading screen issue. After that, close everything and move on to updating your graphics driver. Search for Device Manager and launch it. Now you'll need to expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. You should also visit your GPU's manufacturer's website like NVIDIA or AMD and download the latest official driver software to make sure everything is fully updated. If the problem still continues, the next step is to address compatibility settings. For that, launch your Files app, go to this PC. Then open your Minecraft installation folder, usually located on C drive under Xbox Games. Inside the Minecraft launcher folder, locate both the minecraft.exe and gamelauncher.exe files. Right-click each one and go to Properties, then Compatibility and enable. Run this program in compatibility mode. Try Windows 7 first, apply the changes, and then repeat the same process with Windows 8 if needed. Apply and save the settings for both files, then try launching the game again. If Minecraft is still stuck on the loading screen, the final step is to reinstall the game. Uninstall Minecraft completely, then reinstall it on the same drive or try installing it on a different drive to see if that resolves the issue. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.